oxidation of hydroxy compounds with chromic acid. This oxidation with chromic acid is called Jones oxidation. It is the most important type of named reaction. Jones oxidation is carried with chromic acid. This camenophore is the strong oxidizing agent, whereas this chromic acid is the mild oxidizing agent. This is the main difference between chromic acid and camenophore. When Jones oxidation allows relatively inexpensive conversion of secondary hydroxy compounds into ketones. It is very specific for secondary hydroxy compounds into ketones and primary hydroxy compounds into carboxylic acids. The reaction products are just similar to this camenophore oxidation only, but the mechanism of the reaction and the reagent is different. So this is the reagent. This is called chromic acid. Chromic acid formula is H2CrO4. Chromic acid is represented as H2CrO4. H2CrO4 is the chromic acid. This chromic acid is mainly used for the oxidation of again hydroxyl compounds. Hydroxyl compounds converted into carboxylic acids are ketones. This is the simple representation of simple preparation method for Jones reagent. Here we saw the structure will be H2CrO4. This is called chromic acid. Chromic acid is also called a Jones reagent. This Jones reagent is prepared by taking chromium trioxide. It's a preparation we are going to discuss. Chromium trioxide is treated with sulfuric acid and water. In the excess amount of water, what happens? It is converted into dichromic acid. So dichromic acid is nothing but it is the dimer form of the Jones reagent. When it's subjected to hydrolysis, here cleavage of bond is possible. One side hydrogen, another side OH is added from this water molecule, which is called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in the sense cleavage of bond with water. One side H, one side OH is added. Finally, we will get 2 moles of chromic acid, H2CrO4. 2 moles of chromic acid is formed in this reaction. So this is about the synthesis of Jones reagent. So it is also important. So for short answer question, there may be question on this. So how can we synthesize Jones reagent? How can we synthesize? By taking chromium trioxide and it is treated with sulfuric acid in excess amount of water. There is a formation of excess amount of water is added. There is a formation of chromic acid. 2 moles of chromic acid formation is possible. This is the synthesis of Jones reagent. Now let us see how Jones oxidation is possible. In order to see the Jones oxidation process, we are taking primary hydroxy. Primary hydroxy is nothing but carbon attached to only one alkyl group, that is called primary hydroxy. Treated with chromium trioxide in presence of H2SO4. Chromium trioxide in presence of H2SO4 nothing but H2CrO4 only, because chromium trioxide treated with H2SO4, formation of H2CrO4 is possible. Just we saw the mechanism. And this is Jones reagent and the reactant converted into carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is nothing but C double bond for OH. C double bond for OH only. So that formation of carboxylic acid is possible. So this is Jones oxidation. When we are taking secondary hydroxy compound, secondary hydroxy is nothing but carbon attached with 2 alkyl groups, just represented here. Carbon containing 2 alkyl groups. So this is subjected to Jones oxidation. Here the formation of ketone. Products are exactly same as camenophore oxidation, but only the difference is mechanism of reaction and the type of reagent. In case of camenophore oxidation, we will get maximum amount of yield. That means product formation is extremely high compared to this Jones oxidation. But it is also possible, this is another alternative method for that camenophore oxidation. So this is about the products which are obtained by this Jones oxidation process. So by this we completed oxidation methods. One is camenophore oxidation, second is Jones oxidation. So both the reactions are very important to convert what hydroxy compounds into hydroxy compounds get converted into carboxylic acids. Secondary hydroxy compounds get converted into ketonic functional groups. Jones oxidizing agent chemical formula is H2CrO4. So H2CrO4 is synthesized by adding chromium trioxide with sulfuric acid. In the presence of excess amount of water, dichromic acid is formed first. Dichromic acid further hydrolyzed leads to formation of 2 moles of chromic acid. So this is about the structure of Jones reagent. So Jones reagent is also used to give same kind of product just like aminophore oxidation. So by this we completed oxidation. We will discuss about reduction